Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Smile There's Wine. Emily here. Hope everyone's doing absolutely fabulous out there. What is going on, you guys? How is it going? Happy summer. We are fully into summer. It is hot. It is fun. So many exciting things are happening this summer, and I hope they are for you as well. Another exciting thing, Stitch Fix. Oh, you know you love Stitch Fix time. We have some very summery fun clothes in this Stitch Fix box. I'm going to try to open it up as I chat with you all. I hope you guys are doing fabulous, as I said before. Most of you know about Stitch Fix if you're watching this. If not, it's totally fun, totally awesome. A little bit about me. I am a mom of two. I am a teacher. I teach elementary. I teach second graders, super cute little 7 and 8 year olds. And I love clothing and I love buying things. There we go. Woo, got it. So I find that Stitch Fix works really well for me. I don't have to always go to the store. Sometimes I have my kids with me and it's just really hard to sometimes focus on fashion. And I love that I get the fashion sent to my door. Stitch Fix, super cool. They give you a stylist. You fill out a whole profile situation. They're going to send you 5 items. And within those 5 items, you can decide if you want to keep one thing, if you want to keep all 5 things. And then whatever you don't want, you can send back. They'll only charge you for what you decide to keep. If you keep all 5, that's called the Notorious, a 5 out of 5. I might have a 5 out of 5 here because I did do a little sneaky peek. And that's really cool because then you get additional 25% off. And you always want to keep at least one thing because they do charge you a $20 styling fee, which gets applied back to anything you keep. So you want to keep that one thing. Free shipping both ways. And I do have a referral code below. So you don't have to use my code. Use someone's code. Save yourself some money, which is super cool. Here's my mailer. And in this little envelope is going to be pricing, which we will look out at the end. And then they send you a cute little note. Oh, hello. And you can open it up and see. And what's really cool is it's a note from your stylist, and then they have all these different outfit combinations. So if you're like stuck in a rut, they kind of help you, show you some different ways you can style the pieces. So let's hear what my stylist Nicole has to say. I will say that finding a good stylist is key with Stitch Fix. Sometimes it takes a lot of times to find that perfect person. I have found mine. She's amazing. So let's hear what she has to say.
Hi, Miss Emily. It's another Stitch Fix day. Yay. I hope you're excited to celebrate the 4th of July weekend with your family. Let's see if we can find any fireworks in this box today. Of goodness, since we've been on such a roll lately. I'm so glad to see that the high-rise trouser shorts caught your eye from the Fix preview, as they are a fabulous price point and easy to dress up. Go ahead and grab your 9 Britain peplum tank from last time to pair with them and slip on your favorite sandals for a fun weekend out with the girlfriends. On hot weekend afternoons, a wild dress will be nice to throw on for an effortless look, especially with one of your new necklaces as well. Per your recent request, I made sure to finish things off with your cute frayed pair of denim shorts. Hoping you enjoy the darker wash. Cheers, Nicole.
All right, let's check out this baby bundle. Ooh, she's been sending me so many blues lately, which I'm totally fine with. I feel like every time I pull out a bundle, it's like very blue. So very cute. And looks like there's some other little things hiding in there. Yay! So fun. Okay. Oh, look at this end. A little more color. Let's see what we got. First, pair of shorts. These are STS blue Palmer trouser short 10-inch high rise. These would be perfect for school. Again, you guys heard me. I'm a teacher. It gets hot. You have to take the kids outside for recess and stuff. So these would work really well. And I like the color that it's a little bit more of a deeper, what do they call this? More of like an olive. I'm not sure, but it's different than my skin tone, so that's good. Sometimes with lighter colors like this, or even like a soft pink, I can't wear it because it's close to my skin tone and it makes me look naked. And nobody wants that. But these are cute, very cute. We'll see how those fit. Another pair of shorts, same brand, STS blue. Look at these little cutoffs. Woo woo! Now, I feel like I have a pair similar to these, but I don't know, maybe I need another pair. These are the Lane short 11-inch high rise. Let's cute how they spelled Lane like that. My brother's name is Lane, Lane. Maybe that's Laney. I don't know. I always thought Laney would be a cute little name. It's my brother's Lane. Now this next piece is adorable. Look at this. It's not just a top, friends, but an adorable little dress. Not too long, which is awesome. Oh, this is just adorable. I'm in love with this already. This is by who? A While. And you know what's funny? I haven't heard them. I mean, I've never pulled out an outfit from them with the brand A While. I can talk. You guys understand what I'm saying. This is the Emmy. Oh, it's not like my name. Emmy crinkle knit smocked sleep dress. Wait, what? I'm not gonna sleep in this. I'm gonna wear this out. Look at the cute flutter sleeve. But maybe because it's just like so comfy. And I think there might be pockets. There are pockets. Pockets can go hit or miss. They can make your hips look bigger, which nobody wants, or they can kind of sit maybe further back and be an awesome feature. Just depends. This next top is super cute. Nain Britain. Boom. I'm so into these little floral peplum pieces. And I absolutely love how it's a darker print here. When you have a mommy tummy, it's always nicer to have darker prints in that area. You never want it to be like lighter there. That's not, because then your eye goes there. But look at these cute little flutter sleeves, little adjustable hooks. Look at this paisley print. I love it. So cute. I feel like it's very now. Very cute. Okay. Love that. And then this next piece is another dress. I got 2 dresses? 2 dresses and 2 pairs of shorts? That's rock star status. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is by Market and Spruce. Look at this dress. This also such a cute little teacher dress. Also just like simple throw on, hot day dress. Has the spaghetti straps. Look at the coloring. OMG, friends, this might be another 5 out of 5. We shall see how those shorts go. But the 2 dresses and that top, I'm loving it. What is this print? Okay, I mean the color. The color is, because I know sometimes with the camera it picks up differently. On camera, on my end, it's looking orange. This is more burgundy, so there's a lot more red. This is a light blue, a white, and this is almost... It looks brown on camera with you guys, but from my end, it's almost like a purpley navy. So it is very like 4th of July, almost. Not like super strong 4th of July, but it has a lot of those same colors. So cute, oh my gosh, love it. All right, now it comes down to the try on, and we will see how these things fit. And I will try to pair what she said with the top from last time. Gotta remember which one that was. Okay, I'll be back. So I wanted to jump in here real quick as you guys are getting ready for the try on. So exciting. Have you subscribed to my channel? You totally should subscribe. I would absolutely love it. I post a video like once every 3 weeks or every month. I'm not super great about it, but it's usually Stitch Fix, Wantable, sometimes like a what I bought type of thing. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I would super love if you subscribe. My best friend said to me, I was like, did you subscribe to my channel? And she's like, no, I don't. How much is it? And I'm like, it's free. You just go on YouTube and you hit subscribe. So you can find that below. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Okay, here I am with 2 of the pieces. We have on these STS blue jean shorts, and this is that little Nain Britain top. I love both pieces. I think they're so adorable, so cute and sweet. Let's talk about these shorts. I think these shorts are great. I did size up in them. So they're not super loose and super baggy. They just fit really well, so they're not like cutting in anywhere. So that will look good if a shirt's tucked in or if I have a bodysuit on or something. I think, yes, they are short, but they're not like riding up too bad. So, and they feel nice. The color is great. The fading's great. The distressing's great. I really, really love these shorts. So the more I have them on, the more I like them. Same with the shirt. The shirt is so, this little top is so cute. I don't know what it is, but I have been keeping all of my Nain Britain tops that she has been sending me lately. So I don't know if it's just she's been sending me really good ones or what, but like I'm loving that brand. So they've been knocking it out of the ballpark. So cute with these little flutter sleeves. has the little clasp that back there if you want to tighten it. Does have a little clasp here. If this is not buttoned, friends, well, that's the one thing. If this is not buttoned, it will like fold open because it kind of has more of like this billowy, baggy, cute little folded over look kind of going on. I don't know if you can catch on camera, but it's super cute. And I love the color contrast, being darker here, lighter up here, all this little fun stuff. I think you could even, you know, wear it off shoulder possibly. So if that's kind of a concern, I think I would just have my mother-in-law put a full stitch in there if I needed to. But it is really cute. I think I might just want to tighten up those shoulders a bit because it just, the only problem with it is it just feels a little bit like not completely secure, just a little loose, like the sleeves. So I'll play with that, but I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. This is the cutest and the most comfortable dress ever. Like you literally could sleep in it. She said this was like a sleep dress, but it's, you know, supposed to be worn out. But it is so soft. Yeah, I can't describe it. It's just like really good soft material. Sorry, that's all I can tell you. It has the pockets, but the pockets aren't doing this action, which is what I don't like. The pockets are kind of more in the front. You wouldn't even really notice it had pockets. Okay, I love the contrast here with it being more smocked, and then these little sleeves. Oh my goodness, perfect length for being a teacher. You know what I mean? Conservative but cute. Just the cutest little, I almost want to say it's just almost like A-line. It just comes down so nice, so Americana, so 4th of July. You could totally dress this up with a little red headband. I mean, if this is not a 4th of July dress, oh, so freaking cute. But it can be also, I mean, this is just the cutest little summer dress. This, yes, this is staying in my closet no matter what. So freaking adorable. Love this. This is by that brand, what was it? Awake or Alive or something? I'll let you know. But I'm gonna look into that brand. You should too. Ooh, they have more stuff like this? Yes, sign me up. So freaking cute. All right, 2 more things. Oh my goodness, this dress too. Oh, how cute is this? Has pockets, fabulous. Love this kind of like this little wrap dress. I would say it's like the perfect size. Like it's actually a tiny bit loose, but I like it. It's comfortable, it's not constricting. So I think this might be a size large. Like you can see there's just a little bit more fabric happening. But again, it's like, it's comfortable, but I don't know, does that look like too much fabric? And I love just like the straight lines going down, the pockets. Like if you pull it down a little bit more, not that I pull it down that much, but I kind of don't mind the extra fabric, you guys. It's just comfortable. It's kind of loosey, comfortable. It does have a little clasp right here. These are adjustable straps. So maybe if I kind of play with those and fix those up, that might be a little bit different. So yes, this dress too. Second place to the other dress, but still so freaking cute. Like could have been first place, depending on how I put it on. If I put it on first, right? This is so cute. Yeah, it's just a little bit of that extra, and I just don't know if I'd want it like super tight. Like sometimes you just don't want it like that, you know? You just want to feel comfortable, but I don't know. Okay. It's gonna be a dilemma. I'll go through that. Okay, let's put on those shorts. Here are these last pair of shorts. They kind of remind me of like a khaki Bermuda situation happening. I actually really like them. They fit very nicely. These are by the STS Blue, same as those other pair of shorts. Good length. Again, I feel like I could wear these to work. I feel like I could wear them, you know, with a tucked in shirt just like this. It's not creating a lot of rolls or anything like that. It's just really comfortable. And there's a little bit of a stretch to it. I do feel like they're a little tiny bit maybe big, but again, I'm okay with that. I'm all about summer comfort, like loose, just feeling good, you know? And these are so super cute. And do you see how they're a different color than my skin tone? A lot of times when it's lighter, than a color like this. This is more of like an olive. But when it's more of just like a straight beige or whatever, it, I just realized my camera's like totally tilted. That sucks. So yeah, overall, I think these are great shorts. I think this whole box comes down to price point. Darn it. Is it another 5 out of 5? Oh my goodness, we've had so many. I've literally had almost 3. This could be the 4th. I say almost because last time I almost did, but I didn't. But this time I might. Okay, let's jump into it. Okay guys, it is the time. It comes down to all of this price point. But what a good freaking box, Nicole. You rock it. You rocked it as you always do. Ugh, so good. So good. I told myself, stop buying stuff, Emily. You have so many clothes in your closet. I can't stop. It's just too good. It was a while. A while is this brand. Okay, get on Stitch Fix. Check out a while. I want to see what else they have. It's too good. This dress. Oh my goodness. It's like butter. Literally from rest to rise. I wonder if it's like clothing that's supposed to be like loungy. Because they call it like a sleep dress. But cute, which would be amazing. I would buy everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll start with this friend. Emmy Smocked Sleep Dress, light blue, in size large, $48. Yes, I will keep that. That is freaking adorable. Next, STS Blue Palmer High Rise Trouser Short in brown, size 10, $49. Yeah, they're good. I don't know, $50 bucks, but that's kind of how it goes, I guess. Same with these friends. These were called the Laney, maybe High Rise Frayed Boyfriend in Indigo, size 10, $49. So, $50 shorts, which they're good. I just have to see, do I need them? I don't know. Do I need any of this? No. Do I want it all? Yes. Okay, adorable top by Nine Britain. Man, she keeps sending me Nine Britain tops. I'm in trouble. Brie ruffle detail blouse, off-white, size medium, $40. Okay, that's not bad. And then this dress that was a little big was a size large. Market and Spruce Liliana surplus dress, dark pink, size large, $54. Okay, so all of those prices they're all in my price range. Like there's nothing over. I mean, that last dress was $54. So. Okay, so I'm going to have to look at math. I'm going to do some math, okay? But overall, the subtotal was $240. But if I bought everything and take off $60 with that 25% off, everything would be $180. Okay, so let's do some math. So 5 times 4 is 20. So like that would be about $200. So it's under $40 a piece. Like, that's just too good. Like, where can you go and buy all these things? I mean, maybe like TJ Maxx or something, but that's really, really good. Oh, goodness gracious. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I think I'm going to do it again. Actually, I'm going to think about it. I will put down below what I decided to do because I don't want to just say it's a 5 out of 5, although I really feel like it is. If it's not. So I'm going to let you know down below. I'm going to take some time, think about it, look in my closet, see what I have, see what I need. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging in there with me. And don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay, hope you're doing great. Take care. Bye.